I am going to show you in this video how thick earrings should be. And it's really easy, and I know you're gonna be like, oh, this makes sense to me. Okay, here we go. These earrings right here that I created with this little embossing stamp are approximately 1/16 of an inch. And what does that mean exactly? So let's take this measuring tape right here, just a standard measuring tape. That means that I can take this earring right here, and I can put 16 of them between 1 and 2, which is 1 inch. Okay, so this earring is approximately 1/16 of an inch, which literally means if you look at these lines, it will fit in between each of these little lines here. It's lightweight, and it will work really well with a nice little stud backing. However, I don't want you to stop there. I want to talk about that there's more to this. So when you are making different types of earrings, now I have an earring here. Okay, I want to show you this. These are a teardrop. I made them, I know they're about the same. They have a post on the back, just a simple stud. And I made them using a simple silicone mold, like this one. And they are definitely a lot thicker. You see that there? But they still work really well as an earring. Now I'm gonna put this ruler down and I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna compare. All right, so I'm gonna take them off. A nice, pretty, earthy color. I'm gonna show you, this is 1/16 of an inch. I can make 16 earrings in an inch with these. It's a lot of clay. You get your value there. And these are still pretty thin. So they're like triple that. So if we look on here, okay, we're gonna bring up our ruler and we're gonna put it ever so carefully sideways. If we count the lines, let's get it a little closer. Count the lines, you've got 3 lines. So that's 3/16 of an inch. You know, people ask me all the time, how heavy is that earring? When polymer clay is baked, it loses its liquid and it becomes pretty lightweight. 1/16 of an inch with these. And I want to show you one more, but it's just really pretty. These Monstera leaves are even thinner than that. If I was able to take the thinnest spot, it's actually a little less than 1/16 of an inch. I would say 3/16 of an inch is about as large as I tend to go with an earring in thickness. 1/16 of an inch is a really nice size. It's really, really lovely. And even a little thinner, like these Monstera, they're so delicate and so pretty. And they are just shy of that 1/16 of an inch mark. And they fall just a little bit short. So if they say to cut something short, right, this would be short of 1/16 of an inch. I hope that clarifies and it gives some people some ideas about what a general rule of thumb that I am seeing in my own work